The Tornado Diaries. 3:35 p.m. Text from Dad. Storm coming straight across Nashville. Reporter at Belmont right now. Vanderbilt U in for direct hit. Do not go out. Franklin County in for tornado hit. 3:50 p.m. Received text from Belmont saying that Davidson County is under a tornado warning until 4:15 p.m. Received another saying evening classes are canceled. This is serious. 4:05 p.m. Somewhere over the rainbow just came on at work. We're fucked. 4:07 p.m. Text from Dad. Reporter on Belmont campus can't see. Rain is so heavy right now. Hail the size of golf balls. 4:09 p.m. Customer came to me wanting to buy 2 shirts. Boy, aren't you an intrepid shopper, I said to him. Yeah, he said, smiling. I'm just trying to run a few errands before the storm hits, you know. I paused, waiting to see if this was a joke. Sir, you do know the storm is hitting right now, don't you? There was a silence as he stared at me. Are you serious? 4:12 p.m. Looks bad outside. One of the pre-recorded messages in our PA system just played. Do your bra straps fall off your shoulders? Is your bra riding up in the back? Do you want to look 10 pounds lighter in your clothes? If you said yes, then you need a new bra. I like to think that if our lives follow preordained scripts, these are the last words I'll hear before cue tornado bursting through side of Dillard's. End. 4:19 p.m. Apparently the entire mall is closed except for 3 stores. We are one of those 3. 4:21 p.m. Received a call from a woman with a deep southern accent. I was just wondering if y'all were still open. Yes, ma'am, we are. You gotta be shitting me, she said. Y'all are crazy, but okay, I'll be there in a bit. 4:24 p.m. Text from Dad. Rural Hill area may have tornado forming. 4:25 p.m. Bored. Went and looked at myself in the mirror. Forehead area may have pimple forming. 4:53 p.m. No tornadoes once again. Why does Nashville always do this to me? I'm all ready to see some shit blown apart and then nothing happens. Can't we get an F4 just once? Is that too much to ask? 6 p.m. Going home and watching Twister.